Hello 12th class. So this is your subject reasoning. In this class we will discuss the holiday homework solutions. So your question number 1 is the statement and the conclusion question, that is the syllogism. The statement says all the windows are doors, no door is a wall. The conclusions are some windows are walls and some no wall is a door. So based of this question you have total 5 options. So now the answer is option B. Only second conclusion follows. Now statement 2. All cups are books. All books are shirts. The conclusion is some cups are not shirts. Some shirts are cups. So these are the 5 options. Now the answer is option B. Now this is question number 3. This A, P, R, X, S and Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are in the center, A and P are at the ends. R is sitting to the left of A, who is to the right of P. Okay, so in this explanation, this part, so you can see that this is a sitting arrangement of according to the question. So this is a sitting arrangement. So by this sitting arrangement, the answer is option B. You can check your answer. Now question number 4. Statement. Should young entrepreneurs be encouraged? Now the arguments, yes, they will help in industrial development of the country. Yes, they will reduce the burden on employment market. So now the answer is option 4, that is option E. Statement question number 5. Should all the annual examination up to the standard? Now the arguments are, these two are the arguments, yes and no, and the option are these. You have 5 options. Now the correct answer is option 5, that is option E. Now S, question number 6. So here in this you have a series of alphabets. You have to choose the correct one. So you have to first, in this type of question, you have to frame the sequence, that how this sequence will follow. So for example, this S, you see the first element of the sequence of first character. Here S, then T, then U. The next is V and then W. So your option C has V. So the answer is option C. Now same question number 2. The answer is option B. Now 8th question. You have to look carefully for the pattern and then choose which pair of number come next. So for this the answer is option C, that is 26, 24. Now question number 9. So this is question number 9. This is the series. You have to follow the pattern. So based of the pattern, the answer is option E, that is 34 and 38. Now question number 7, question number 10. So these are the jumbled sentences, jumbled words. So you have to make it a meaningful sentence. So the answer of 10 is the soldier pushed his oars into the rough waters. Now question number 11. The answer is a dark object came floating down towards the boat. Question number 12. The food has taken away too many lives. Now question number 13. Most ancient cities were smaller than modern cities. Question number 14. Many ancient cities have completely disappeared over time. So these are the jumbled words question. Now question number 5. In this, a certain code money is written as this. So you have to check that how is black written in that code. You have to follow the matching pattern, that what the pattern they have followed in this question. Okay, same you have to apply with black. Now the option is B option. 16 question is this. If I am young is written as 247 and Sheetal is young is 614 and I like Sheetal as 576, then like is written as, you have to write the sentences, mark the numbers and then you have to find the answer. So the answer is 16C. Now question number 17 is same as question number 16. So question number 16, 17 both are same. The answer is B part. Now question number 18. In this, select the word that is related to physical in the same way as lock is written related to OLKC. Okay, so this is the word, and with this word you have to, with this word it is related to this word, so you have to find the answer of physical, that what is the physical answer out of these four options. So the answer is A part. Now same is question number 19, both question are same. So here question number 19 answer is D part, and same is of question number 20, so the answer is B part. So you have to check your answer and just match your answer that how many questions are incorrect. So thank you and have a nice day.